Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming quick prerequisites, verify your account and carrier coverage, and make a backup so you can restore if needed. Once done, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force the radio to reset, then reboot the phone. Make sure Wi-Fi is available so you can test connectivity after the restart. You do this because radios sometimes lock, and a clean restart forces the baseband to reinitialize, which often restores signal without deeper changes. Now focus on the middle, more technical steps. First, update iOS to the latest version so modem firmware and carrier profiles match. Install any pending update. Next, go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings to clear APN, VPN, and cached carrier data. This forces fresh negotiation with cell towers. If that fails, power down and remove the SIM, inspect it, and reseat it. Try a different SIM from the same or another carrier to finish with decisive actions. Contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and ask them to push a carrier settings refresh to your device. If the carrier is clear, restore your iPhone from your backup or perform a DFU restore to reinstall firmware and fix deep software faults that prevent service. Make sure to rule out hardware. If service persists as no service, schedule an Apple or authorized repair visit to test the baseband and antenna. Troubleshooting tip: try another working SIM first to separate software from hardware problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.